Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but it's still important to double-check everything for security. Today, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have both your Robinhood and Bitrue accounts set up and verified. This is crucial because withdrawing crypto involves sharing wallet addresses, and you don't want any delays. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the crypto section, where you'll find your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Once you select it, you'll need to choose Bitcoin as the asset you want to withdraw. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the destination wallet address. This is where Bitrue comes in. Open your Bitrue app, go to your wallet, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one for the Bitcoin network. Bitrue might support multiple networks, so double-check to avoid any lost funds. Paste that address into Robinhood, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. In 2025, Robinhood has streamlined this with estimated fee calculators, which is a game changer. After you confirm, Robinhood will process the withdrawal. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. Once it's sent, hop back to Bitrue and check your wallet. You should see the Bitcoin arriving shortly. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for the steps. Withdrawing Bitcoin doesn't have to be complicated, and by following this guide, you'll be transferring like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.